Okay guys, so we're playing ATV versus MX. I'm definitely a beginner. By the way, don't mention my voice. I had a cold for the past couple days, so it's gonna be pretty bad, my voice. Holy cow, I'm so bad at this game. I'm just warming up, but like, dang. So yeah, this video is just gonna be me doing some Supercross, introducing you guys to the video game that I play, which you guys have probably heard of this. MX Bikes is a more popular version. But this game's very similar. It's ATV versus MX Legends. There we go, we're kind of getting warmed up. Okay, boys, we're going to be getting our first racing of today. Freaking rev the engine. This was real life, this thing would have exploded by already. By the way, I'm using a YZ450F. So not a CRF, surprisingly. And one guy looks like he has a Cowie. I'm not 100% sure if it's green. So you can correct me if it isn't, but yeah. I totally got shoved off the track. Oh, that was a decent one, yeah. Oh, that's crashing. Oh, how did I not crash? Oh, I took the inside on that. I pulled up way too much. Oh, okay, that was pretty good. At least I'm not freaking number 10th place. Oh, well, now that he killed me, I might be. Number 7, boys, we're actually making our ways up as we start warming up. I think when I'm fully warmed up, maybe I can get to 6th place. I'm really bad at this game. Don't judge. If you play this game, you know it's really hard. The nice thing about this game, though, is it has way better graphics than MX. And you can quote me on that, bro. These graphics literally look real. Okay, we're actually not selling. Clutch boost. Oh, wait. No way. I might have overjumped that a little bit, but... oh, crap. We're actually not selling. 7th place. Well, where's number 6? Not bad. 7th place for me is not bad at all. We're taking W's. We're taking W's. Especially on my warm-up match. Startup was not very good at all. Shoulda did a whip, shoulda did a whip. That was kind of over it, but if you guys want any tutorials on my tuning settings or how I take corners and stuff, I can make some shorts on that. I'm mostly a shorts creator, as you can tell, but once in a while, I'll do some full-length videos. Most of them are pretty bad, but they've put hours into them, so I never delete them. But this one I have a feeling is going to be decent. If you're a beginner in this game, and you want to go buy it, it's not cheap. I had to beg for a while. I want to slam my desk very hard right now, but it's pretty late, and I don't feel like waking up my entire family, so feel good at that. Oh my god. I don't think I even did a trick. Not at least on purpose, but... okay, I'm actually zoning. See, that jump's so annoying. You just freaking... it's impossible to hit. Look, he's not even on the map anymore. It's so weird. He has to be that far behind already. Are these people literally just, like, not playing at all? I'm playing against a bunch of AFKing people, bro. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Okay. Hold up on that. Okay, there goes. Freaking 8th place. People keep leaving. I think they're all like AFKing. This is kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie. I sound like a freaking grandpa. My voice is so bad. Oh, that was trash. Oh my god, that whip was not worth it at all. Jesus. Race end. 6th, not bad. Okay, boys, so beginning of the race, I love this track. Or it's not the beginning of the race, it's the beginning of practice. But this track is literally goated, bro. I love this track so much. Revving, revving, revving. Let's go. Beat the CRF. Beat the CRF. Oh, shoot. Come here, big boy. Come here, big boy. Oh, shoot. Broski might have just screwed me up. Why are these whips selling? Oh, there's another YZ450. Okay. Should probably stop worrying about that. I'm literally getting whooped by an off-brand right now. Come here, big boy. Oh, that was horrible landing. Suzuki boy, I'm not letting you pass me. Or maybe he is. Oh my god. That might have just been the rest of the game for me. I'm screwed because number 7 is definitely AFKing. Whoops, whoops. I'm actually not too far from 5. I kind of seen 5 right there. Okay. Take it wide. Okay, not bad landing, not bad landing. Take the whoops. Take the whoops. I shouldn't overshot this. Yeah, I definitely overshot that. Somehow I didn't crash. Let's go. Oh, that was an insane whoop. That was so clean. Not gonna lie, Honda is kind of carrying this game. I'm just Yamaha fanboy all the way, 100%. Number 5 shouldn't be too far. I seen him not too long ago. Oh. Now he's really far. Oh, never mind. He's not too far. I think he's clumsy just like me. I was thinking about doing a whip on that, but every time I do a whip on that, I end up right, so. Yo. Come on. Somebody left. I think that's the guy that was AFKing. My god. Bro, 5th is right there. My god. 5th. I'm gonna catch up to you, boy. See, look, every time I do a whip on that, I could have landed. Not you guys. You guys are too good at this game, probably. I finished 6th place. Yay. We're probably going to be doing one more race because I'm actually getting dogged on. Well, last race, there wasn't many people, and all the people that were there were dogging on me. So, well, not the guy in front of me last race. We were pretty close. I just kept doing that. I have horrible landing positioning. Okay. Getting ready. Salt Lake Supercross. Okay, let's go, let's go. Bro, those CRs are just absolutely insane. Oh, there goes me. See how they all land like in a decent spot and I don't? Oh shoot, that's not good at all. Okay. Come on. It glitched out for a second, bro. I hate sand so much. Okay. Out for the speed. Oh, yeah. Bro, move. Bro, 6th place, I want it. He's so annoying. Although we have been having some good fights. He's pretty close behind me. He's fighting 7th right now. Maybe have a fight with somebody different a little bit. Try a 7th place fight. Actually, might be battling 4th. Never mind. Not good enough for 4th. Oh, I overshot that. Sand again. Everybody's favorite. Okay. Okay. Okay, somebody left. Probably somebody AFKing at starting line. And there goes my chances of winning. Exactly. And there's the worst spot you could land, and then I died. I mean, oh my god, bro. 6th place literally passed me. How do you get that much air off of that? And he didn't even look like he pulled up. Bro's machine must be a freaking feather. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Hitting his turn. Shoot. Okay, that was a little bit close. A little bit stalling, though. Oh, there goes freaking 7th place. And then there goes my death. Am I really getting passed by 7th place? I mean, that's sad. Bro, I was going to say, if I crash there, I literally think I'm going to sue this game, bro. I'm good at these parts. Come on. Let's go. Crap. Crap. 6 is probably so in front of me right now. Oh, crap. Okay, that wasn't that bad of land. I'm just kidding. That was dog landing. Okay, we just passed. What? Oh, I'm lapping him? Oh, no. Sorry, 9th. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. Oh, my God. Yo, I'm horrible at turns this race. Normally, I'm decent. Dang it. If that would have killed me, I think I would have quit this game. No joke. Well, that was fun. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. I know this video is a little bit shorter. If you want any questions, put in the comment section, and see you guys next.